You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, guys, this is Afriq Arbitrage. This is Afriq Arbitrage system, a platform whereby they use your money to trade for you. It is an automatic. They will use your money to trade for you. So on this platform, it's like they are buying low or and selling high for you. They are just trading for you on this platform. This platform is built from scratch. So guys, right now I'm going to show you how to start making money on this platform. So the minimum you can use to invest on this platform to start making money is $20. $20, as you can see, and that $20 will be giving you this every day. I think it's okay, it's not that too much. It will be giving you this every day. Before I go deeper, let me show you something about this platform. So here is something you need to know also about this platform. So if you, for example, investment amount, the minimum investment amount on this platform is $20. You can see it right here, and that $20 will be giving you uh 0.33 dollars every day. $0.33 every day. So in a month all your money will be like, that means we will have 33.24. If you still leave it there, your money will multiply and your money will be, if you don't withdraw it, your money in a year you will have about 7,873.34 dollars. 7,000 with just your $20, with just your $20 on this platform. So this is how their investment plans work on this platform. For example, if you invest like $1,000 in the Afriq Arbitrage platform, you can generate a profit of 1.65% every day. That means you'll be generating that every day, 1.65% every day. This doubles your principal in 43 days, which means your principal plus profit will amount to $2,000. You can see it, you can read many things on this platform to know more about it. You can make cool money on this platform. For example, someone that use $1,000 to invest on this platform, even in a year you are going to have about $392,821 on this platform. It's very cool. It's a very cool way to make money. Remember, one of my the platform I share, I don't just share anyhow platform. This platform, I've been waiting for it since last year. I think last year August. Since last year August. So they just launched it this year, January, I think January 2nd or January 1st. So they launched it. So since then, people have been making money on this platform. They have a Twitter account, they have a Discord. You can go to their Twitter account, you can go to their Twitter, check Afriq Arbitrage system on Twitter. You will see them there. You will see their updates there on Twitter. So for example, if you use $50 to invest, you'll be making 83 $0.83 daily. That your $50 will multiply with will become about $83.04 in a month. In a year, you are going to have 19,643 $0.61. Wow, that is a cool money, good money. If you can do it, try to do it. If you can do it, you can check many things about it. Check it. This is their investment plan. This is how it work. This is how it work. For example, let's say you did not withdraw your capital. For example, if you withdraw your capital or your capital from this platform, that means your trading will stop, because you can withdraw your capital. If you like, you can withdraw your capital. If you like, you can withdraw back your capital, and immediately you withdraw back your capital, your trading will stop. But if you did not withdraw back your capital, your trading will still be going on, and calculating together principal return, everything together. So when you invest on this platform, your first profit will come into your account in 24 hours. So as you can see, my next profit is coming around 46 minutes now. 46 minutes to this time, you see, 46 minutes to this time, this is 0.33 you see here will turn to 0.66. So that is how the platform work. So right now, people have been making money on this platform. Before you will see a platform like this, it will be very hard. It will be very hard. The one you will see are those one that are promising you big money, big car money, something that they can't do. So but this one, with the lowest they are giving, and you leave it, then your money will you will make whole money through the principal return. You will make whole money when you leave your money on this platform. You can start with $20. Very $20, you can start with it. So for example, let me show you how to deposit on this platform, because you need to know how to deposit. The deposit place is very important for you. So click on deposit, click on this deposit you are seeing right here. So click on the deposit. Sorry, let me log in back to my account. When you click on the deposit, it will take you to this place. So the next thing to do is to select wallet. Click on it, then select theta minimum 20, because it's minimum $20 you can deposit. You can deposit more than 20, but the minimum is 20. So select it. So right now, either you like, you can input $20 here, or uh you can input $50, because it's 20, 40, something like that. 20, you can use 40, like that, it depends on the amount you want to use to invest on this platform. For example, let's say I want to use $100 right now. So after you click on it, you will click on continue. So when you click on continue, make sure you look this next page attentively. Make sure you look at it very well. So this is what they are asking you to send in, because they are taking a transaction fee. So this is the amount they ask you to pay in: $100.65. That is the amount you must pay in. So this is your wallet address. Just click on it to copy your wallet address. So when you copy your wallet address, then send this actual amount. If you are depositing $100, send the actual amount you are seeing here. Send it to the platform. Make sure it's the actual amount you are seeing here you send. For example, let's say you are depositing $20 now. The actual amount you input that you want to deposit will be up here. As you can see, I click or I enter 100 USDT, that is $100, and this is their charges, and this is the actual amount I must deposit. That is, I need to deposit 100 100.65 USDT. That is the amount I need to deposit. So immediately I deposit it, I'm going to see this on my wallet. Immediately it's confirmed, I'm going to see this 100 on my wallet. So immediately you copy the wallet address here. Immediately you click on this copied box. So go to wherever place you want to transfer the money from. Make sure it is USDT TRC20 you are depositing. USDT TRC20, or you can use the scan code here, the barcode code here, to make your deposit. So make sure it's USDT TRC20 you are depositing. So immediately you transfer the money. Make sure you are not leaving this page. Don't leave this page. You can minimize it. You can minimize it and make your transfer. So immediately you make the transfer, this thing you are seeing here that is loading right here, it will stop immediately. The blockchain confirm the money. Immediately it's confirmed the money. The platform blockchain confirm the money, because this platform was built on a blockchain. It's built on a blockchain, so immediately it automatically confirm the money. It will write successful immediately, and you can go to your wallet, you can go to your dashboard, and you will see the money here. You will see your money here, the amount you deposit. You are going to see it here. So you will need to wait for about 15 is it 15 minutes or 10 minutes? I think it's 10 minutes. So you are going to wait for just 10 minutes, and your investment will start immediately automatically. You don't need to do anything. Your investment will start immediately. Your investment will start immediately. So from here, if you like, you can click on invest. If you like, you can click on invest. But if it does not start immediately, you can come here on the page. You can click on invest on the amount you have. The minimum you can invest is $20. $20. The minimum you can invest is $20, and the maximum is $10 million. That is 10 million USDT, and it will be giving you 1.65% daily on your profit, on your money every single day. That is the amount it will be giving you every day by day on this platform. So, guys, that is how the platform work. If you want to withdraw money, you click on withdraw, you click on withdrawals. So when you do that, it will show you select wallet. You select the wallet you want to withdraw to. The charges per withdrawal is 1 USDT. So make sure you know the amount you are withdrawing. The minimum withdrawal is $50. So you input the amount here. Let's say you want to withdraw $50, $51. They are going to take the charges fee of $1. So if you have not bind your withdrawal wallet, you click on here. You click here to bind your withdrawal wallet, to bind it on this platform. You just click there and bind your withdrawal wallet here, USDT RC20. You paste, copy and paste it there. So that is how it works. Then you update it. So that is how to do it on this platform. It's very easy and very simple. Very easy and very simple. And you'll be getting 1.65% on your investment daily on Afriq Arbitrage system. So that is how the platform works. So I hope you guys understand it. It's very simple, and you can make cool money, good money on this platform. Guys, don't miss this opportunity. Don't miss this opportunity. As you all know, I don't just give updates because I want to update my people. I don't just give update. I tried and I look very well before I give out my updates. The list you can see on my update that don't last is, you will see 2 months, 2 months, or one month and half that don't last. As you can see, some right now, AI mining and some others is already a year. Arbitrage also, I share about arbitrage also, is still available. I share about swap, that one also is still available. You can check through this my channel, search for their name, you will see them there. Most of them are still available, and they are almost a 1 year old now. AI mine is 1 year old right now. It's 1 year old. NetSwap is almost a year old. Yes, almost a year. Also arbitrary and some others like that on. So guys, don't miss this opportunity right now. Take the chance and start making money on this platform. If you want to know more about their investment, let me show it to you. So this is their investment package. You can see it, you can see everything. Investment amount, daily return is 0.33 is the daily return for that $20. uh uh, uh Monthly return, your monthly return is you can see, plus your monthly return, you are having $33.24 yearly. If you leave your money there, leave it there like that, yearly return on investment is $7,873.34. So guys, don't miss this opportunity. Start right now today. Don't miss this opportunity. So guys, goodbye for now, and see you soon on my next video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please hit that subscribing button right now, so that anytime I drop another video, more opportunity like this, you'll be the first person to see the video notification on your phone screen. So guys, thank you for watching, and goodbye. Hit the like button. See you soon on my next video. If you want to register, check the description of this video. You see the registration link there and everything. Goodbye.